Investing for life goals is crucial to achieve financial security and realizing your aspirations. By investing wisely, you can work towards goals such as retirement, home ownership, education, travel, and ensuring a better quality of life. Life Insurance Corporation of India offers Aadhaar Stambh plan, which is a combination of protection and savings. In this video, let us review LIC Aadhaar Stambh. Will this LIC Aadhaar Stambh prove to be a good investment option for your future? Buckle up for a detailed analysis. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Aadhaar Stambh is a non-linked participating individual savings life insurance plan designed exclusively for male lives. And the main features are premium paying term and the policy term are same. Policy term ranges from 10 to 20 years. Loyalty additions enhance the maturity benefit. Auto cover option kicks in even if the premium is unpaid for 6 months, provided at least 3 years premium have been paid. Now let us look at the benefits in detail. Death benefit. In the event of death within the first 5 years, the sum assured on death will be payable. If death happens after 5 years but before the date of maturity, the sum assured on death and any applicable loyalty additions will be paid. Here, sum assured on death is higher of 7 times the annualized premium or 100% of basic sum assured. The death benefit shall not be less than 105% of total premiums paid. Next, maturity benefit. Sum assured on maturity and any applicable loyalty additions will be paid out, where basic sum assured equals sum assured on maturity. Next, loyalty addition. Provided at least 5 full years premium have been paid, then the plan shall be eligible for loyalty addition at the time of maturity or death. Now let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Aadhaar Stambh. Advantages: option to take the death benefit in installment instead of lump sum amount. Loan option, extra rider, option to receive the maturity benefit in installment. Auto cover period is an added advantage. Next, disadvantages: sum assured is inadequate to meet the basic needs of the family in case of eventualities. The return on investment is poor in LIC Aadhaar Stambh. Loyalty addition starts after the completion of 5 years. Now let us evaluate the performance of LIC Aadhaar Stambh by calculating the internal rate of return. This will help us to compare the return of LIC Aadhaar Stambh with other investment returns. A 35-year-old male buys LIC Aadhaar Stambh for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs. The policy term and the premium paying term are 15 years. The annualized premium is 26,459. In preparing this illustration, it is assumed that the projected investment rate of return that LIC will be able to earn throughout the term of the policy will be 4% per annum or 8% per annum. The final maturity value, including the loyalty addition under the 4% scenario, is rupees 5 lakhs. The IRR calculation for the 4% scenario results in 2.84%. Final maturity value, including the loyalty addition under 8% scenario, is 5.57 lakhs. IRR calculation for the 8% scenario results in 4.14%. Your investments should grow over time, outpacing inflation and providing a safety net for unexpected expenses. Investment and life cover, both these components are not beneficial under LIC Aadhaar Stambh. The maximum sum assured is 5 lakhs, which will not even cover the basic needs of the family. The return on investment is also low. Now let us do a comparison study. You should have an adequate life cover before starting your investment journey. Here in the previous illustration, the sum assured is low, but in order to have a comparison, we assumed the same sum assured. A pure term life insurance policy for rupees 5 lakhs is opted to meet the insurance component and invest separately for life goals. A pure term life cover for a sum assured of 5 lakhs would cost rupees 2,500. The policy term and the premium paying term are 15 years. Out of rupees 26,459, you are left with 23,959 for investment. Select an investment avenue that aligns with your risk profile. PPF, which is a debt instrument, and ELSS, which is an equity instrument, are chosen here for investment. You will get the accumulated value in the PPF account at the end of 15 years. You will have to pay the capital gains tax while exiting the ELSS fund at the end of 15 years. Tax calculation is given here. The final value of PPF investment is 6.49 lakhs, and the IRR calculation for pure term insurance plus PPF investment results in 5.95%. Pre-tax value is 10 lakhs under ELSS investment, which is double that of LIC Aadhaar Stambh 4% scenario. IRR calculation for pure term insurance and ELSS results in 10.26%. This is a post-tax return. LIC Aadhaar Stambh is not the right choice in any aspect. Investment and insurance shouldn't be mixed up. By investing wisely, you can work towards goals ensuring a better quality of life. Here is our final verdict on LIC Aadhaar Stambh. This is a plain vanilla endowment plan. You need to pay the premium regularly, and the maturity benefit along with loyalty addition is available at the end of policy term. While analyzing the plan, there is no special feature that stands out to pick this plan. The major drawbacks are low sum assured and the return is not outpacing the inflation. Returns are key aspect of a long-term investment. So alternatively, you can go with a pure term life insurance plan. Be mindful while calculating the required sum assured. A diversified investment portfolio will help you in achieving your life goals. Start early and make informed decision by consulting a professional financial planner. You can sit back and watch your investments pave the way to a brighter future. A detailed review of LIC Aadhaar Stambh is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.